Hello, my name is Austin. I am going to talk about dinner rumor I found on Google and I had it in my photo app on my iPad, Mac, and iPhone. And I'm going to talk about the dinner model, okay? Several team decision to be fired. Kind of with the same, but the session is fired. Come with app, and you just use the app throughout wall or throughout whoever had the app and connected to the room or to the banana. Okay, the sessionary file. One kind of like the set 90 and the set 80. But both the rumors do not come in mapping. The E5 and one will buy new rumor. Yet take new band, new part, but they do not mount, they come in window. The set 90 and the set 80, and I will buy full mapping robot. So when I will buy make the rumor, so right here and here, I will buy full mapping robot because they will. Because they come with a full shot to center on the bottom. Okay? So, okay? The IV, and one robot, mounting robot, but they do not use a camera. So they can really tell shape really good, but they map. I don't have you to map without a camera, but they will. Okay? And the eye center, it kind of like the IV, but the eye center, it kind of the same as the 900 Shelby, and they come with a camera. So you just say, you don't be the arm go, oh, I peel, say you peel silver on the floor. Or be dark and shut the room out. Okay? The N9 and one double body, the front and corner at the D-safe, the Hewitt camera, the railway up and down, and they come with empty bed. So hold on here. So we can move on to dinner room. Okay? Hold on here. Okay. Now, the more rumor. Okay? Here and here at the E Shelby, the E Shelby, they shall come when them not the gate them, but they want will buy new rumor. So do you have on the so do you have like the Hillary bus, and then you have camp right there. But then coming new not the gate. New multiple. So when the battery get well, they'll go bum, 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 bum. They go, well, battery, peace off. Pay on the home page to be set, okay? Now, here and here, it kind of, one do not come with empty bed and one do come with the empty bed, okay? So then, also the same thing. Okay? One did the eye service. So the eye service come with empty bed, some don't come with empty bed, they come with the old dog. But say you for warden, then the room will do better if you ward it. If you do not want the man being officer, you again want them not to get there on then the rumor. But if you really need the rumor to get zero or this, but say you for walking. Hello, I am going to talk about how to heal the barber himself, the mop. My mom name is Marvin, one of my friends are called. So we talk about like, how did you shoot it? How did you refill the tank? How did you get the way over the case of first? the mop had a payroll. There, when the water come out, okay? Here is for the home bay in the water builder. Parking, clean, home bed. The home bed in the center room about home. They use a camera to map out the house. So they know, they help you put down. Therefore, when you do that, the sun come down. The cash center is covered. The cash center here to one, so the bubble themselves do not fall down to shell. And if they go over carpet, they will avoid them. And they do have it with the center, so they know what power. You got the well, the name, the shot, the port, and the battery. So we want to talk about why. What's that do they come with the hill? So because when the hue a room, do you want to make sure how to keep you shoot it? Okay? So I will show you what do the hue for the bubble himself, okay? So you to get a builder though for the bubble himself, they come with the wine, the hero mommy do have pet to put the hill. Okay, now they come with 2 different time power. There is for the dummy power. After the mop is done to put the here in the mop go over the floor and came all the water. So when they get the mop will not mop, they will then go over and dive the water up. Then when they put the here, okay. Now they wet the hole here. So when you pull the mop tank in here, kind of hard to do, but so here. So hold on. Same method to get it on here. So hold on. Okay. So let me show you how to start it up, okay? Let me show you. Okay, if you made a wet mess, so let me show you when to hit the part clean. Those same bill. And they go back and forth. Okay. Then when you hit the bum bum bum, go back home. And then when you hit the they do that. Now, how did you shoot the builder though? Okay. Keep the mop and method to shove it up. Because the builder though accusing too high, if you do not want the room to clean, pebble. They also come a builder though because they use a camera to help they put that. So they do come a builder though on the map. Yeah, we'll do that. See? And there will also show the room around. So let me show some. Now the app, it kind of like if I do, the app will show you. So now to empty the tank, do you see the bender here? You want to put open. One, they show you, and then you want to wet up on the handle. Okay? To wet the water now. Now here to fill the tank up. So now when you put it in here, they go right in the tank. After you fill it up, do you see here? You see this part and there. You have to go that way. After you put it down, you put down, to coat the well, and make sure the well is covered because the well And now if you didn't coat the way all the way,
close the lid,
it will tell you. But the problem said, sometimes do a good job when you have movie part, but generally don't keep up well the new day 7, the day 9. But okay, but say you for water how to use the bubble and say you. Hello, my name is Austin. I was Roomba founder, and I'm going to talk about my robot filter I have 7 filters and 1 mop, so can we send the room, okay? So we want to start with the eye center. Alright? So we want to talk about the eye center, okay? So the eye center, sorry, I did the window doorway, I hear my room up. So on the eye center you got the handle, you got the window center for the door, and for the builder door. So these here when the room is cleaner, one they help the room see the home bay, but you don't want the room to run up the home bay. Okay? Handle. Okay? They rebuild the wonderful home showing if you saw my room do head and go bum bum bum. There I want to have the bum 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 bum. Do do do. So the part key made the room go as shoulder. Should you maybe man, the room will go as shoulder. Okay? Now you got the cover. Here. There's the camera. So when the room is cleaner, did you know the camera help the room map and to have better map is featured in the iWay, and never get the iWay because the iWay not a really good room. Okay? But 54. You got the front wheel. 5K center so room 4. The full shot is center to help the room see what on the floor. Door detector inside the room bus band. There with the room empty. Well, cyber, and so. But the room do a really good job, so they were diamond fan my eye center plus with the empty band. We'll move on to common show, my day center. Okay, hello. Okay, hello. The common show, my day center. Okay, the day center is one I will buy new rumor. Did to see what I human, did to see parade, orbital, underwear, shaw, pound, anything. And they do a good job. I will talk about some feeders they got. So when somebody on the floor, they say, oh, let me take a picture of this. And now they send it back to the robot and they say, they're orbital. Do you want me to put a keypad on, build the door, they know orbital, or I'm not sure. Okay? Key. And you send it home to home and go, okay? So kind of the same thing on my eye center I showed you. So, and they come with the empty bit. So, here, hold on. So, let me show you. So when the eye station is filtering, still on 104. When the center part my 104 if there a ball on the floor. If they can't, the camera cannot pick it up, they won't. Let me show you, okay? Hold on. Okay, so let me show you. Okay? So I'm going to show you my back saw. So we did talk about it, okay? So my best saw iron will be if I am shaving on my day and my saw I have my saw on. The rumor and kindness come saw my days and the kindness they will not burn my food because they say, oh, the saw. And the rumor do a good job. But sometimes when they send the key, sometimes they not there on the phone and the woman say they audible. They write, you have to keep the camera. That the camera not kind, they do what a tester do. They say they send me in the way and they won't do what they wanted to. But I do by myself. But right now when I sit on my desk, my day sender and the only rumor in my office will not want over my pail, PJ, underwear, and saw or show. Or even my show. Because I will boss you, well, we want to make a rumor what a human to see. So I have my saw, so if I will tell, now my saw on the gown right now, I just saw the up, they want to nail it. Nail me to the white, purple, orange, yellow, yellow. And none of them matter what color. They don't matter the white. They will not go nail saw on the real pin yellow. They don't matter to have a towel. So they write the they send it at the one the bedroom. Okay, so I never saw my saw in my movie before, but I show you what can the day send the shit. So hold on here. Now we want to move on. Okay, we're going to talk about hold on here. Hello. The one the power my rumors says on the research. Okay? The same Sunday on the I send you to help you see the bell to do. Okay? Also the round the power one my rumors says on me share come every more. There I do the if you woman do the right move it around and move it. Okay, then there you shut the woman up. And then it tells you. Okay? The woman come with parking, home, and then there. There so on woman they can be auto. So on rumor, so when you hit the banner, did you order the time? Okay? The banner to get the banner. So I will bubble for battery. So give me the battery, okay. Why give me the battery? Okay, but the almost out yellow me the battery and almost there when me the rumor coming home. And then if the web battery say on the rumor kind of like call down, being they made the rumor and then they need to shop. Okay? Full cash center, the also bus that down to here, there, sidebar, and there. But remember when I showed you my best saw? The eye center and my mop, I showed you, and my eye center. My underwear on the floor, my wear on the floor, they all want awful because they do not have the fan favorite LCD high-end camera like common show. Okay? Okay. My iPhone. Don't my iPhone. So Come on here. Okay, so I'm done my home. They got Wi-Fi, clean, and home business. And I did the cover and did the water. Now on the iHome, one cyber weekend center, 2 side to pull, 1 wheel, and 1 bus. So they come with wide map, so they come with road by road, so don't go their way, and their way. So you won't go road by road. But they also come with center to not help they fall off. So they can't really do a good dome, but they do come out off the door detector, but they only see like do like a terrible shoe, like something like off the door they will go around. But on the side like the thing center when I showed you my saw, when I take my saw off, will not show for there, okay? Okay. I don't know how to say it. BLACK plus DECKRE. D damage 2. Clean Wi-Fi home. They can't really take the same part. So they can't really the same. They also come with mapping, one by one, they come with one mapping. My iron file, my whale iron file, the common 2, my common soul 2. So my iron file come with a weight off. They will come with Wi-Fi key and home. They come with weekend center 2 bus 2 short to pull, 1 front wheel boundary, that bus the weather wheel hill, and then hill and for there. So they also come in mapping, but they come in white mapping. They come with white builders on the map. So if you don't want the rumor to go somewhere, you do the builder and they will avoid it. But they are my rumor I have. Now probably wondering, did you know Diamond, Maury, Colin, Wannon, Dawn, my other rumor named after my comment uncle? Because my friend uncle and they Diamond, Wannon, Dawn, Colin, Maury, and Wannon. So yeah, so name after myself. On the two other rumor before I show you my way on, they come with a remote and they can some robot come with remote, some robot do not. They have some people make the robot. But thank you for watching. I hope to write my saw I will film it. I don't really show my saw in my movie, but I take it all to show you. Thank you, and the next video will be on how do you clean your room, okay? Hello everybody, I am back. My name is co-author then. I am going to show you how to clean a room. And why do you need to clean the room every day? Okay? So, if you do not clean your room every day, 1, they can make the room up. 2, the room can't unravel because they have. So you know how on a diver, after you done with the diver, you had to take out the sand and clean it. You don't clean it. The house can't fire because the diver not clean to do the right room. So let me show you how to clean a Roomba, okay? So, first, you got the Roomba, right? The Roomba, because the fork to get the Roomba. And then you can clean the paw. Okay, so before you want to do, the first thing you want to do is take the band out. So hold on. The first you want to take here, right? Okay, first you want to empty the band. First, so to empty a band, you want to take it out. There are the door. You want to wet the part up here. Okay, and then you want to go. All they go on the floor. They come off and they're okay. Okay, now the band door it. So what you do, you want to tap the band here. Now to pull the filter back in, do you see with the hole? Hold on here, sorry. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to pull the here and fit it back on, okay? Then, because you do it, you want to take you with the sidebar and that go around. Do you know how do you know how kind of you have burn and you do your dog? So the kind of way you give it a haircut on your Roomba. Okay? You put it back in. You have to be very careful. Because you don't buy a new one, but you do not want to bake it off. And why do you because you hold the door in. Now, what all Roomba tells you when the band full, some Roomba will, some Roomba won't. Okay? Now, you want to put it back in. Okay? You want to flip the over to the side. Okay? First, you want to get out the side here and make sure that the band will need to be clean. So if you do, you want to go up here and say, okay, then we want to grab that. Do you know what that is? No? Okay, that is a buster tool. So to pull, you see the what the sun here? You want to pull the right here and you want to go down. See? And the bar up, you want to do that down. Now, you might have hair right there. But I want to let you know, you got a kind of thing, and you have a pop or do you have a sober day, make sure to day and all know your Roomba, because you will get inside there. Now, they write the newer model a better to do how to do the super shine. I said the super. Some robot made it. Why can't you that? Why? Okay. So how did you get it? We'll put it back in. Okay. Now, do you want to take a color line? If you want to go around, you want to make sure the kiss center is clean, because the kiss center is dirty. You don't want the Roomba to fall off. So right there, you want to go around, and then you want to clean that. You want the Roomba to be new. After you're done, you flip the oval, and you make sure the number on the center here of the bamboo. But they have to clean a Roomba. Some Roomba, you might some women do to take the bed out and walk there. But you want to make sure to make sure the bed is not like too wet. Their bed cannot get wet because there's a motor inside. And if the motor gets wet, the room will be ruined. But thank you for watching how to keep my room up. Okay, bye. My name is Cole Austin. I am going to show you how I have my room away out. How do I have to put in? Okay. Okay. So first step on my room, some and I will borrow some in the bed. Well, I had to lay out because you do want to make sure the room and lay out. You don't want the room to be cold. Because the room is too cold, and one room side to bow up, then the room now to go cuckoo. So let me show you on how I get my room to. So all my room I pick out, I have one power set did the Walmart from Walmart on how to pull through the hill for the common two is put under my weather tab. I have to be able to do so. Maury, Diamond, and Rhino will not go. But I never said. Now, do you want me to show the how room? Because I build it though, a hill, and the room start to bow up, but the can't because it's always in my builder door in order to keep out the home bay. You want to make so. Because all my other room I do want the same time because I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, all the back up. But the problem with the so I can't really why do it there because I say do it there. I say have a room. Why have a room? I mean I will put on YouTube. Made movie like that a girl. So people know, oh, the room, how do you keep room? I should never get room. I go, oh, my room is so dirty. I don't know how to do this. But, okay, say goodbye. I am going to say a song to the winter, and then my wife sang. I'm going to say a song about how room will. To the winter. Okay? I am going to say a song about how my war. So the fools say when the woman and father wish did you become a center did you want so they do a good awesome woman do what by one so woman shooting more my best woman or so did you not have the fiddle why tell the woman to go out to the wedding room and then the curtain now the woman do a good dog. So the woman, the good dog when the woman following the hill of doubt turn out the way. So some woman coming 1.0, some woman come with 2.0, or 3.0, or 3.0, and 4.0, and some woman coming 4.0, 5.0, because when so all my room do a good now if you and then to make a man so to tell the woman to go fall to the curtain. And the shall remind you at the pool and the curtain had to keep burning. Because some remind you none come on my feet door. So when to tell the woman to need to go kill the cat, that you have to put the woman in the cat then. So the woman tells she, and when I will do faithful what I will, my room, do a good now, my room, a name out for my friend, I call it a method, call when so when no power, my way and done, did do a good done. Now because I named the for my friend, because I was my friend, I had call. So the woman did good. Now when did my band, the woman had to, she what they had to sell the room as okay, a cow of a dining table of the bed of the dog. Can't need to know where on the floor. Now if the day sending might be more, they will not afford sharp pound so on the wheel all the ways. So when they might be more, may so you don't end not because they send a camera all when they my band. But I do a rumor, my favorite, so I will rumor. So I will rumor my favorite. I have sent all I say send. Now I really want 500 rumor because I will rumor. I will rumor. And rumor all. Two went to get one, so did I. The main rumor, so to do not have to come home from work to a Dolby house and say you for while. Then say you. I hope to write the pick up to my hoop to center, hope to the side.